right, ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome. Good evening. You're looking absolutely fabulous, each and every one of you in this hall. Let me introduce myself. My name is Riaz Basha, and I'll be your host for the day. And I'd like to welcome each and every one of you to this hall on behalf of Brands Academy and the entire team. Okay, Brands Academy as a team, ladies and gentlemen, you know, is the only organization in the country, in India, to offer a platform like this. It's unparalleled to provide recognition and exposure to the efforts and contribution of individual professionals, small businesses, technology startups and companies, SMEs and fast-growing organizations towards the economic growth of the country, and also generating, by the way, employment for Indian youth while establishing credible business for yourself. Brands Academy Excellence Awards are meant to recognize the contribution being made by business leaders, visionary entrepreneurs and technopreneurs, dedicated professionals, and various business, service, and technology organizations that are continually striving for excellence in their own respective fields. Brands Academy is the pioneer in the promotion of this unique concept and has successfully implemented in North and Western India as well. The Southern India Business and Service Excellence Awards and, ladies and gentlemen, Technology Excellence Awards are two of those most coveted awards which are a part of Brands Academy's pursuit of excellence to recognize your talent. So without further ado, okay, here's what we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to have to welcome him in the hall because he is Sir VVS Lakshman. He's right there in the corner. He's walking into us. A warm welcome, sir. He's gracing this occasion. For those of you who love cricket, this is your dream come true because you're not only getting to see him amongst us, you're also going to get to receive awards from him. Sir, may I please request you to join us on stage, please? Sir, we're all honored here today to have you here with us today. I'd like to request you to please say a few words to all our winners as well this evening.
Firstly, thank you for this kind words again. I would like to thank the Brand Academy Awards for giving me an opportunity to be amidst all of you. It's definitely my privilege. Why do I say it's my privilege and honor to be amidst all of you this evening is because all of you are achievers. And thank you very much for having me over here. I think it's a great initiative and I'm sure that all of you deserve this award. All of you deserve this recognition and a huge round of applause for all of you. Thank you very much.
Somebody who's played a very important role in getting these awards going for us are our sponsors. And so it's time for us to extend a heartfelt thanks to all the partners and sponsors without the support of whom this magnificent event wouldn't have seen its evening. First and foremost, I'd like to introduce you all to this very beautiful venue, the hospitality partner, the amazing Lalit Ashok, Bangalore, and the entire team. Can we have a round of applause going out to them, please? The place is excellent, the food is excellent, and the service is really top class. So give them a round of applause. And we'd like to also extend our gratitude to our official media partners, including the TV media partner, Bloomberg India. Round of applause again for them. Our magazine partner, Delhi Press. Our visual media partner, AdLabs. Outdoor media partners, Starshine. Our gift partners, Gifton, for partnering with us for this event today. We'd like to also thank our media partners for making it possible for us to showcase the achievements of our winners on the national level, which is a matter of great pride for all concerned. Also, let us thank our road travel partner, carsonrent.com, and entertainment partner, Step Up Dance Lab. So without further ado, the most awaited part of this evening now going to unfold because I'm going to call upon for the names of the recipients of various awards. The next award is for the best upcoming real estate consultants in Andhra Pradesh. And this company is a master franchise represented by Tangent BPC Private Limited with world's leading real estate brokerage company and an international property consultant operating across 92 countries. 6,000 plus offices and over 1 lakh associates started its operation 3 years back. Currently having 9 offices with 80 associates working for it in entrepreneurial capacity, playing a pioneering role in organizing the unorganized real estate market of our country. They have a micro enterprise model, universally local in nature. So ladies and gentlemen, the award for the best upcoming real estate consultants in Andhra Pradesh goes to Remax India. And may I please request the CEO, Mr. A. Balaji Kumar, to kindly come on stage to receive the award.
Thank you very much. Good evening, everyone. Thank you, first of all, Brands Academy, and thank you, Mr. U.S. Lakshman, to honor us at this moment of time. We are right now currently operating in Hyderabad with 9 offices, and rest of other districts with 4 offices. And we intend to have 20 offices, of course. We are right now about catering to 28 top builders and many customers. And we hope to do well. And thank you very much. I would like to thank my entire corporate regional team and the franchisee owners and my agents for this award. And I dedicate it to them. Thank you.